right, you want to see a parade of airplanes? Here we go. Look at this. Just look at. Wow. It must be so embarrassing right now to have to taxi behind this guy in your $1.something million Cirrus, and all eyes, you know, be diverted from your. Anyways, I'm gonna calm down. All right, we got some vans action. All right, we got RVs, RV7s in the building. Whoa! Look at the tires on this thing. Wow. Yeah, 206. That's a nice color on that 10, yeah. Live commentary coming to you from Comanche Town. Parade of airplanes. Yeah, Simon and this other guy who will not be named have an RV10 kit that's just been sitting for years and no time to get it built. So drop a comment down below, let them know that you're rooting for them and you're gonna hope to see a flying RV10 in like 2 years. Amazing. These are experimental airplanes, folks. I mean, they look as good and are built as well or maybe even better than certified airplanes. And the quality is, even from up close, shows. No, I think that's a Harmon rocket. Hey! Beach products right here, A36 Bonanza.
I like when the flights in there, they have the position of a pilot sitting up and like when it's sitting like he's all sitting up.
Oh, Vashon Ranger coming down the line. Look at the visibility out the front of that thing. That's awesome.
It looks like the new mail truck.
Yeah, yeah. That's right, yeah. Cool airplane.
That's pretty nice.
Hey, that's right. Hey, got a little wave there. Got a line of Cirri. I'm making that up right now. I think it's Cirri.
Oh, this guy's from our area.
Yeah, I recognize this paint job.
Yeah, he used to be the owner of Logan Isles Aviation.
Yeah, we recognize the paint scheme on this airplane. I think this person lives in our area. Yeah, 414 is a very proud looking airplane.
That's the one I threw up on down the wing.
Oh, Simon has thrown up on the wing of this airplane apparently. I hope you can hear the commentary in the background. It's very loud. I'm trying to do my best and hold the microphone close to my mouth. But yeah, the 414 is a fantastic airplane. They're relatively affordable to get into. They've got their maintenance quirks like every other aircraft, but they are a mover. They've got ramp presence for days, lots of space on the inside, and good parts availability. I think one of the things I love the most about them is the round window design. Reminds me very much of an airplane design that will remain nameless. It rhymes with Hulk Cream. I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, 414, 421, that family of Cessna is very, very popular, and for good reason. I mean, they have proven themselves useful. Where I'm from in the Caribbean, they're everywhere. Oh yeah, we got a lake amphibian following almost looks like a carbon cup. You got lots of departures going on right now. This is awesome. The airspace is now open. So designer Ken Kruger was the one that designed the Vashon Ranger that's taxiing down there. I need to check in on him and see how he's doing. And is that a Seneca behind the 414? Yeah, folks, I didn't know I was going to get a show.
That would be a really cool shot to do a time lapse of
All the departures? Yeah, really cool time lapse show. Maybe I could set that up for tomorrow.
Yeah.
414, November 414, Mike Papa. Yep.
Seminole.
I have no idea what that is. November 540, Mike Papa. I gotta look that up. Yeah, I don't think that's a Lancier. The tail's wrong. The fuselage is wrong.
What's the tail number?
November 540, Mike Papa.
November 540?
Yeah, 540, Mike Papa.
Oh, you can pronounce that.
It's probably, I bet he built it from a kit. Because I can't pronounce that at all. He probably designed it from a kit. That's probably a one-off design. Yeah, yeah, it's definitely not a Lancier. Right in front of us, Cherokee Archer 2. Taper wing Cherokee, but it's still a Cherokee. Really nice looking airplane, super reliable. You know all about Cherokees. Go buy a Cherokee. You will not regret a thing. Also, one of the best ways to get around Sun and Fun, which I have not used, a tram. I don't even know where to catch the tram, but tomorrow I think I will be tramming around. We're getting some waves happening over here. This person's really excited to see people. I don't know. Yeah, I think this is. Oh no, this is a caravan.
Yeah, it's a caravan.
Yeah, caravan. Yeah. Yeah, put that prop in beta. There you go. Mooney coming on through.
DJ.
Good old Skyhawk.
The good old seat model.
Oh yeah, classic old. No, that's a Belanca. That's a Belanca.
Wow.
Oh, I have not seen one of these since I've been on the channel. Here is a Belanca Super Viking. This is a speed machine, wood wings, steel fuselage. It's got fabric on the fuselage, wooden wings, retractable gear. That thing will do 170 knots all day long. And then of course you got the super squatted out Cherokee 6. These things sit really funny. This guy's struggling to see over the instrument panel just like a tail dragger. I hope he knows the back. Oh, yep, he's got someone in the back. Okay, good. Another Warrior 2 taper wing Cherokee. Yeah, that is cool to see a Super Viking. Oh, I love the windswept design on that paint scheme there on that 182. Very nice. And then a Stationair, that something, 182 RG maybe? That's a big 182. Wow, we're living the dream now. Here, check out the paint scheme on this thing. Wow. Gorgeous. That is a fantastic paint scheme. Yeah, I love it.
I like that a lot.
And you know he hangs his hand out the window like that all the time. He knows. He knows he's cool.
You ever swung the gear on one of those things?
The mosquito, yeah.
That's the most terrifying thing to do in a hangar.
Oh.
Like a dead duck.
Squatted Cherokee 6. You can't beat a Skyhawk. Well, yes, you can, but oh, Tomahawk, coming through here. Either that or a Beach Skipper, but I think it's a Tomahawk. Actually, I don't know how to tell the difference quickly between a Beach Skipper and a Tomahawk. Oh, here we go. The Eclipse jet. This is deafeningly loud, but it is a beautiful jet. I just want to put more quiet engines on this thing.
Look at that. He's got the 550 upper deck.
You see the hump? Yeah, the hump at the front. Let me zoom in and see if I can get you a little closer look. So at the front of this airplane, you're going to see a little bit of a hump just behind the prop. That shape is different from the earlier A36s. That shape indicates that he's got big boy money and big boy engine under that cowl. It's a 550?
550N.
550N model. So, I mean, this guy is probably hauling whatever fits it ships, and I don't know, 175, 180. Looks like he's got his son in the passenger seat, so you know this guy's living the dream right now. This is what I want you all to have. I want you to have nice things. Oh, he's also got AC, because I see the AC scoop on the air conditioning scoop on the bottom.
Oh, man.
Tinted windows. Yep, definitely his son in the passenger seat. This could be you. See you next year with your A36 Bonanza. We got the only other twin Comanche taxiing out from Comanche Town. Very nice. No, yeah, 170, yeah. Cessna 170. Cherokee Lance.
Not turbo. Not turbo. Murdering out the windows.
Yeah, of course. Summer is coming. That guy lives in Florida.
I think he'd be a bar.
And proud of it. Very cool. All right, things have died down. All right, I'm going to put you all down for a minute and catch my voice.
Wow.
All right, folks, $2 to the person that can identify this. In 3, 2, 1. I have no idea what this thing is. Wow. A 206T. I have never seen that before. Wow. Incredible. Another lake amphibian. Yeah. There we go. Now the Bonanza products. Model 36. Ooh, here we go. Wow. Another good old V-tail. Probably a 1955 model. I don't know. Somewhere in that 50s range. E-series engine.
That 414 pulling away. That's just beautiful, man.
Screaming. This looks like an F-33 or let's see what we got.
33. But it's in the aerobatic version.
Yeah, 33. Yeah, F-33A.
I love that tail number.
Yeah, 99 Mike. Gorgeous paint job on this airplane. Likely a SRV 35. Actually, no, that's
That's a B.
yeah, that's.
A B.
I think it's a S.
Oh, you're right.
Because the tail, the pointy, yeah, the pointy top of the ruddervator. Hey, DA40. Man, that's the only reason I own my V-tail right now, free and clear. I sold a diamond and like paid off all my debt. It was a diamond in the rough. That's a good way to put it. This one's a V model. Yeah.
That's so dangerous. That's so dangerous to pop that window.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You never should.
Yeah.
Never should.
Don't do that, guys. If you're not the person, if you're not a pilot in that back
Yeah.
seat, don't pop that window.
I've had one pop in flight. It's not
It'll
great.
break loose.
Yeah, it's not great.
Look at that 182. That's just
Sleek.
Just
Sleek. Here comes another proud sitting Bonanza, straight tail, probably another 33 model.
We should have already gone and visited the Cherokee.
Yeah, here we go. Aerostars. Another Viking, another Super Viking from Belanca. Look at this. Oh, Turbo Viking. I don't know what the difference is.